Okay. Okay. Hey guys, it's Bears, and today I'm going to be doing a little video of the other things that I got at Toys R Us, and I maybe open them. I did another video with somewhat Marvel things. Okay, so first of all, this I got at Toys R Us. This huge Groot, literally. This is my arm. He's like the size of my arm. I don't know. I'm looking at things in the room. Don't know why. Okay. He's huge. He has like a detail on him as well. See that? He has detail on his bite. You can't see anything because my lighting is always horrible. But he's like detailed there. Okay, anyways. It was 98 cents for this. He's super fluffy. 98 cents. So we got two of these. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I just want to point that out. That's a good price. That's what I call saving. I'm not a saving freak, trust me. Okay. Then I got this from Comic-Con. I just wanted to open it real quick because I found it. I think there's like trading cards or something in here. Difficulties. Okay, so I think these are stickers. Look at BB-8. You can see the numbers really on the back, but you can like see it through the BB-8. Look how cute. BB-8. Yes. I think they're stickers. I got this one. It's like two people. I don't even know who they are. Two people fighting. What is this? There's a bad glare. And I think that's R2-D2. These are stickers, I'm pretty sure. No, you can't even see them. Wow. 224. Oh, okay, so this is just a saying, I think. Once the war was over and peace was restored, Chewbacca returned to his home to reconnect with his family. But when he hears that Han Solo has returned to his life as a smuggler, Chewie remains loyal to his friend and joins him down a new path. Okay. So, the lighting is super bad in here. But you have to work with me on this. Next thing I'm gonna open is this. I don't know what this is, but it's a blind box related thing, so I got it. It's like a mystery pack type of thing. I don't know. I'm gonna get the scissors. Got it. Got scissors. They're like over there. Right there, where my finger is. Okay. Somewhere around there. And knowing me, I'm probably gonna like cut this. Like, cut where I'm not supposed to. But I'm doing good so far. Okay, once I get this open, I'll show you. Okay, so I got it out, and it says 2 hidden kittens. And it's like a little cage thing, because it has a little handle. And windows. And then there's like a door that you pull down. Let me take. Oh, okay. So it's 1 package instead of 2, even though it's a 2. Okay. There's this. Okay. They look frother. Frother. Alright, so these are like all the different ways that you can get them in packagings, like different packagings. And that tiny one right there, that one, that pink thingy, that's the type of thing that I got. Okay. Oh, these are cute. They're fluffy. Their heads don't move or anything. Oh my goodness, they're fluffy. They're like super fluffy. Aww. Got a little bow. Everything's fluffy except the eyes, the nose, and that bow. But literally everything on it's fluffy. Even like the bottom of the feet. Oh, it's super fluffy. That one didn't have a collar, but this one does. It's like a pink collar. I think the collar's fluffy. The collar isn't fluffy, but that pink part inside the ear is. The eyes aren't. The nose is not. The pink part inside the mouth is, and I think that's it. But most of it's fluffy. Fluffy. Okay, so super cute. Put that right there. If they decide to stand up. Okay. Okay, next thing. I got this. It's Fashion Squishy Fashions Fun. You can get Russell, Chloe. I think that's Chloe. Oh my god, what's the panda's name? Penny Ling. Minka. I have Sunil, and then the skunk, the joke one. I forget the skunk's name. Great. Well, it's one of those, and they're see-through, and it's. I don't know where it says a series. It doesn't say a series. Okay, so maybe it's series 1. Maybe. Please don't be the skunk because I don't know its name. It's Minka! Oh, her little feet are so cute. She's super sticky. Does this one have water in it? I don't think this one does. Sunil has water in it, and this one doesn't. I don't know. It's super cute, though. Sure, I'll put that. She's super squishy. She's like crystal. You can like see through her. See through me. Yes. Transparent. You can see me. Hello. Yes. Can you see me? I can see ya. I can see ya. My eye. Up close? Yes. Yes. Okay. Now that this video has got even more awkward, let's get on to the next thing, shall we? Alright, so I got this thing. It's like, do you guys know the Squishy Pops? Where you get a gem or the Squishy Pop or like a charm? And the Squishy Pop part ones were like kind of like rare. I think this one is just a Squishy Pop. That's a Twilight Squishy Pop right there. I don't know, but I think that's how that works. I can't open it. Why is this so difficult? Oh wow, I'm saying I can't open it. I have scissors right next to me. That's really upsetting. Okay, so it's kind of cute. It has like decoration on it, which you guys probably can't see, but there's like hearts on that side. You can kind of see the shading. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now you can see it. Okay. Oh my god, you guys. This isn't literally this is a Squishy Pop, but it's like a see-through Pinkie Pie. Oh my god, that's really weird. This is pink and it's see-through. And this is even more pink and it's see-through. Oh my god, is this like a rare? Oh, it is! You guys! Oh my god. Okay, so those are the normal ones to get. Those are the normal ones you can get. And then these are the see-through ones. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Can you guys hear it? Okay, that's super cool that we got a rare. This is why I'm lucky. Okay, I always get rares. Okay. I don't mean to brag, but it's true. So, there's one last thing that I opened yesterday that I want to show now. Let me get it. It's down there.